Well, I'm here with Nick Fontaine, one of our contestants today, a guest of the Belfor property restoration team here at beautiful Talamore Country Club. And boy, Nick, it was just great to meet you today, and you had some success around the green. I hope you had a lot of fun with winning golf.
I had a great time. I didn't embarrass myself, and that's winning golf to me, so I'll take it.
Well, you also are playing a round of golf this afternoon, Nick, so I hope you have a lot of great shots, rolling a few putts, and enjoy the rest of your day.
That's the goal. Thank you. It was a pleasure.
You're quite welcome, my friend.
Join Doug Hendricks for Winning Golf, Sundays at 7 on NBC Sports Philadelphia.